Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be doing this Saraswati Puja special soft glam makeup look. So let's do the makeup. And so first of all I will be taking this Swiss Beauty cup, not Swiss Beauty, this NY Makeup primer. I'll be taking this Face Canada foundation. Foundation is done, and after foundation I'll be taking this Wet n Wild concealer on the underneath my eye. I'm gonna apply just a little bit. And after that I'll set my face with this Swiss Beauty setting powder. And after that I'm gonna contour my face with this Swiss Beauty contour palette. First I'm gonna be contouring my cheekbone and the jawline. The contour is done, and for eyebrows I'm taking this 10 rupees kajal, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrow. The eyebrows is done, and for eyeshadow I'm gonna be taking this silver shimmery shade from Miss Claire, and I'm gonna be applying it with this blending brush, and will apply it right on the outer corner of the eye, just a little bit. And on the inner corner of the eye as well, and on the and underneath my eye also. Then there I'm gonna be taking this Swiss Beauty palette, and then I will be taking this brown shade, and it on the crease right here. There I'm gonna be taking this shimmery shade and apply it on the inner corner of my eye, and apply and a little bit on the lid. My makeup is done, and now for blush I'm gonna be taking this Swiss Beauty blush and apply it on the cheek. This, and now for the lips I'm using this Swiss Beauty lipstick. So finally this is the whole makeup look all complete, and I hope कि आप लोगों को ये video अच्छा लगा होगा. And if you guys did enjoyed watching this video, then please do like this video, share it with your friends, and also do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.